Have you ever seen a bird that looks like a haunted tree branch? That's the Potoo. Native to Central and South America, this bird is a camouflage expert. During the day, it perches completely still, beak pointed upward, blending in perfectly with tree stumps or broken branches. You'd never know it's there. But at night, it gets weird. With huge glowing eyes, it hunts flying insects in the dark. And the sound it makes? A ghostly, echoing moan that feels straight out of a horror movie. It doesn't even build a nest, just lays a single egg on a tree stump and trusts its disguise. The Potoo is spooky, silent, and so well hidden, you might be standing right next to one and never even notice. Creepy? Yeah. Cool? Absolutely. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video.